tired. The eyes in my head are as heavy as warm treacle pudding. My rhapsodic memories are stuck in the past, stuck where they belong, stuck with the glue of improbability. When I was a young cat, there was no obligation to labour hard, like an engine, pursuing mirror images upstream and down market, hundreds of them, arranged in irregular phalanxes, or to borrow a thread of hope to string between those absurd crumbling Corinthian columns doused in yellow light. The effort is too great, the pain too intense. My meow has become as dark as a cave, painted in cold shadows of solitude, like the rusty iron fence that stood at the bottom of the garden in winter. I'll sleep now, surrender myself to the land of Nod, and dream, perhaps dream. Dream of catching birds or fish.